Alright, family, welcome back to your very own channel, Travel Walk to and Beyond. This is your host Nitin. How you all doing? Thanks for joining. I see Sadaf has joined. Sadaf Ansari. Hi Sadaf, how are you? Yes, I'm at a park. Where are you? Where are you from? So, yeah, my right foot, like I told you, it hurt, so it's doing a little better. Earlier I thought that I wouldn't be able to walk right now, but then I mustered up some courage and I thought that I should go. It's also doing a little better. I applied aloe vera gel, like I told you. It helps, and it did help. So looks like the blister burst last night, and before that happened it was paining like hell. So I took the decision not to walk yesterday, but and I gave my foot a complete rest of complete 1 day rest. So it's doing a little better now, and yeah. So as it turns out that first 2 days I casually wore a pair of slip-ons, rubber slip-ons, like one of those Chinese croc versions, and so it's like more of a rubber or a plastic make. So that's what caused the friction when I was walking, because I was walking for 90 minutes, not like a casual walk. So I think it's fine to walk with that casually or at home, but or if you're going to a market nearby. But if you're coming for a walk like this for 90 minutes, or a more intensive workout or walk, then it's not fine. So that's what caused it. It's still paining a bit, but it's a lot better. I let it alone so it would dry up. Let's see how it's doing. Hello, hello. We have a cute dog. Okay, so here it is. Not sure if you can see the redness. Yeah, it's probably visible now. So from under the toe, this whole area is blistered up and got all swollen up, and there was all water filled up until yesterday, and there was swelling even here up till the mount, and there's redness over here. So it's still hurting when I walk, but I can see that the surface is drying up, so it's not paining as much as it was earlier. Just that if I'm walking for more than like 30 minutes, then this part is still hurting and there is redness. Oh, 1 second, let me wear my socks. Okay. Yep. So it's been a lovely evening. So I came for the evening walk again. Had some work during the day. I was tied up. I was also working on some other videos. So hopefully by today late evening you'll start seeing those reels. So it was it's some progress, I would say. It was supposed to be a brisk walk from today. It's the 8th day, but unfortunately because of the foot condition I'm not able to start that. I'm going to give it a wait before I put some more stress on my foot. So I'll continue with the walk until it stops paining in my right foot, and then I'll start with that. So maybe another day or two. But yeah, so today is the end of the 8th day of the 12 weeks fitness challenge, and so it is the first day of the second week. Technically it was supposed to be a switch to brisk walk, but it's going to be a little deferred for another day or two. So great. I'll go home and check the weight today, and I'll see if there's been any change. And I've tried to start to think and work on the eatables also now, so I'll be sharing some of those videos with you in the reel form, so you get to see a glimpse of what I've been eating, and I'll keep coming up with more updates on that. So that's about it. See you again tomorrow. Not sure what time, but definitely see you tomorrow, maybe in the day, afternoon or evening, whenever I can find the time. So far so good, and thank you all for the love and blessings and the likes. Thank you for joining and watching the video. See you tomorrow. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman. Bye bye.